So now we are moving to join this with a single diagram, or you can say what is the isometric view of this particular object. So here we start with a single point, a line, you can say a simple. So here we select a point, now this, and making a 30-30 degree angle both side. So putting 30-30 degree angle both side like this. From here, now this is your, I just suppose we can say this is your front view side. So what appears from the front view, so we all know in the front view we have a length and height. Okay, so 75, and what about the height? 37 is drawn towards like this, and this is your side view, and we need to draw a length, height and a width. So what about the height? So this 37 and 50 is your width. So now from here we just constructed to draw the line like this. So from here we just make a front view and draw a length of 75 mm like this. Okay, and now from this 25 just we have three boxes of 25 25 25. You can say easily from here 25 25 25. So now we just stick 25 mm 25 mm. Okay, and now from this side we need to draw a width of 50 mm. So you need to draw 50 mm like this. Okay, now for we need to draw a front view. So here we just draw a 12 mm height from the front view. So from the front view we need to draw a 12 mm height. So from here, now from all the boxes, so just I put, when we mark the point of 25 mm, from here we draw 12 mm height towards the upward side. So now from here, this is again your, okay. So now joining this like this, and again we join the last line, putting MD parallel to it, and like this. Okay, so this is your two boxes of 12 mm height and 25 mm of length. Why we left this blank? Because when we see the top, from the top, then according from both the 25 mm side, here this is 25 mm side, again from here 25 mm side, so the dimension is make inside towards the width side of 12 mm. So this is your, this line shows your width side. So putting the MD parallel to it and draw 12 mm 12 mm for making this. So here we just make a parallel MD parallel to it, and from now from here we just need to draw 12 mm from both these sides. So like 12 mm, and now from again here this is your 12 mm. Now joining these two with a single line like this. Okay, so this is your inside portion. Now complete this like this. Okay, now from here we need to draw like this, and now join this. Okay, so this is your front view of the below side. Okay, this, now we are moving towards the height. So what is the height? From now left, moving above the 12 mm height. So we need to draw 25 mm from here. Can I draw 25 mm from here? No, because we need to take we need to see the dimension from the top. So here from the width side, firstly we draw the 25 mm line, because this is 25 and the remaining is 25 towards the width side. Okay, so this and this are parallel. Okay, so this is where I draw the 25 mm. So putting the MD parallel to it, and from here we firstly draw 25 mm line like this. Okay, now from here we draw a 25 mm height. So putting the MD parallel to height, and from here we draw 25 mm line. Okay, like this. Okay, now what? From the top we not see the height, but we have this line. We seen this line and having a two object. So what about this line? So this line is, this total is 75 mm and this is your 25 mm. So remaining is 55 mm. Okay, so now draw 55 mm. Okay, from here and parallel to the length, because this is parallel to length. So this is your length, So from here we draw 55 mm like this. Okay. Okay. And now from here, according to the front view, we need to move back our dimension of about 20 mm towards the length side. So this is your length side. Now from here we need to draw off about 20 mm line like this. Okay. And now join these two from here. Okay, like this. This is the left portion is the 20 mm. So now we need to join these two with a single line. Okay, like this. Now from the top we have a single line, but here we complete see a box of 20 mm and of this. So here now we are moving again the remaining portion, the remaining length of 25 mm drawn towards this side. So putting the MD parallel to it, and from here we draw again 25 mm line. Now again from here we again draw 25 mm line and join these two parallel to this length, parallel to length. So this, and now for what, we just take the dimension for our side, and now what, like this we again need to draw a line parallel to it. Okay, like this. And what, so now parallel to this we just make joint a line like this. Okay, and erase this extra like this. And now we again need to draw a 50 mm line from here like this, and now join these two because we have no side view, and now again join these two so they can make a single line like this. Okay, so this is complete orthographic projection, isometric projection. This is your isometric projection complete. So now we just for a better clearance we just use some kind of pencil work. So stay with me. So I put a dimension here. So from here this is your 25 mm, 25 mm, 25 mm, and this is your 50 mm of width. Now moving here, this is your 12 mm, this is your again 12 mm. Now from here this side is 25 mm and this width is 25 mm. So parallel to height side we need to draw height. Okay, and again this is your 25 mm. So here, and now from here like this. Okay, so now we put dimension here. So this is your dimension line. Now here again we need to draw a arrowhead. So this is of 3:1, this arrowhead. So this is your dimension line, extension line, and now moving towards the width side. Now this have a 50 mm of width, and this is your 20. So firstly we need to draw a angle like this. So this is your 30-degree angle, and from here we need to draw 75 mm. So this is your 75 mm line, and making 12 mm height from both the side like this, like this, like this. Now for what, from the top view we have seen like this. This is portion is left, total blank. So move here this line 12 mm to the inside like this. So this is 12 mm and this is parallel to width side because this is parallel to width side. Okay, now from here we go towards this side. So from the top view we seen like this, and this is 25 mm. So remaining is 25 mm. So we need to draw like this. This is your 25 mm because this is clearly view seen from the top view, but from the front view this is not seen. So we have only seen this 25 mm height. So from here we draw a 25 mm of height like this. Okay, now we are reaching here, and now we need to draw like this. So from here this dimension is 20 mm. So parallel to this we draw 20 mm like this. And what about this? So this is your 25 mm remaining width because we first draw the 25 mm, not draw, we haven't draw this. So from here we not draw to this, and now from here like this like this. Okay. So now this is total 55 mm, because this is 75 mm, and we see from the top, we from this object we see a single line, and we have a 55 mm, because 75 minus 20, so we have 55 mm. You can see from the screen like this. Okay. Now from here the line join to this end, and this is 20 mm, so this is 20 mm line joining to this, and this is clear from the front view. But from the top view we have a diagram like this, so we need to draw again like this. Okay, like this. And now from here we haven't any side view, but we need to complete it. So here we need again a 50 mm width and of 12 mm height, and join these two like this. Okay, so this completes your top or front and side view, and that is mean it is a complete isometric projection. Okay, so this view looks like that. Now I put the dimension. So firstly 25 25 25 mm. So this arrow, and this arrow, है ना? This is your, what about this? So this is your 25 mm. This is your 25, and again this is your 25. What about this? This is your 50 mm of width. This is okay. Now this is your 12 mm. What about this? This is your 25 mm. Sorry, putting dimension here. What about this? What about this? So this is again your 25 mm. Okay. Now what about this? This is also 25 mm. And what about this? So this is your 20 mm. So this completes, and this width is your 50 mm. And now one more remaining. This diagram, this dimension. This is again your 20 mm. So okay, this completes. So total the conversion of this into a single view is this. So I hope you are clearly understand it. Now